Sanibonani guys, sanibonani, welcome back to Mnkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you so much. Mangabe umshala ekhaya igama lami uphilile, please consider subscribing to the channel, ulike i-video, uyishare, and yeah man, you guys, thank you for your love and support. Ungakhohlwa njalo ukungaskippi advert. Okay, so kulesi story guys asikhuluma ngodaba luka Sydney Ramakwela. Uhangwani Sydney Ramakwela simazi lapha ngomlalo kaMubango, and kunodaba lapha you guys le paternity olungathi luhluphile. Angazi uSydney Ramakwela ukuthi unengane ezingakho. They didn't reveal that, but kuthiwa ke kunentombazana accused of not being available when it comes to ingane yabo ena 17. uSydney Ramakwela uthi ingane leyo akuyona yakhe you guys, but ke ugirl umama wengane he fathered loyo mntana. I think kuzokala sengathi bake benza i-DNA before, because it's not the first time ugirl eza ethi yena lengane yaka Sydney benza i-DNA test and then ama results abuya ethi negative. Akuyena ubaba wengane, kodwa ugirl uya-insista ukuthi umntana ngoka Sydney Ramakwela. So angazi lapha ukazi ukuthi into abazoyithini. I think kuzomela baphindele futhi bayokwenza another DNA test, because ugirl uthi maye posta kuthi udaba lapha uqale maye postile uSydney Ramakwela waposta enendodakazi yakhe ngebirthday yomntana kaTinki. So let me see ukuthi lapha kuthiwa uposte something laphana ngengane ukuthi uthe I posted my daughter on Sunday with a funny caption along the lines of take your man who doesn't support their child. A lot of people came and commented it was just a joke though. I woke up on Monday and saw a comment that said my son was 17 years old. I didn't even know what they were eating. Like I wasn't supporting my child. He booked a test in Polokwane and did the test with his ex. Now they then called him and told him that the results are back but couldn't send the test to him. Now he then went to Auckland Park and collected his results. When he read them, it said he was excluded from the child's paternity. Ramakwela also reveals that his ex accused him of buying the test and hurled the insults when the results came out. He called Lancet Laboratories again and was advised to hold on to his results, and if she wants to dispute, she can order more tests or she can also open a case against him. Now, the actor shared the results on social media to clear his name, but removed the post to protect Mtan. Now, he removed the post after people shared the boy's pictures on his comment section. Now, social media user Ukabelo Mohlala shared the pictures of the test and wrote on Twitter. Now, the brother was accused of being a deadbeat father, but he opted to take a DNA test to clear his name. Ironically, the results revealed that he is not the biological father. Now, the South African reached out to Mr. Ramakwela on Friday for a comment who confirmed the story. So now you guys, so na story ska Sydney Ramakwela ke umama wengane le ena 17 engumfana uthi yena uposte indodakazi yakhe, mayiposte indodakazi yakhe ngebirthday yakhe. Loya sisi wase commenta laphana you guys ethi wow, I was begging nje something along the lines like that. I was begging nje, you being a father there, but this side you're a deadbeat father, you know, something like that you guys. So guy because of whatever happened ka social media, he was forced now to even reveal lawa ma test you guys. I will show you ukuthi he is not the father ngoba ke benza ma test before. Yeah, said he's not the father. Okay, so she wasn't convinced. She then accused him of bribing ngale kuma tests, right? She accused him of bribing ngale wabona ngathi mhlambe ikhonta yenzile. So mina was like, why not go back together? Babuyele bonke futhi bayenza lawo mathi ingane le ina 17 ugele lento bekumele benze kudala. I mean uSydney Ramakwela you guys ngumuntu actor kuMbango, he's always there, is available. I think futhi bangomkhaya babuya ndawonye into ikanjalo. It's not someone who's difficult to find. So manje ingane ina 17 ugele loke insist ukuthi we are the father, ama test athe no. Usesithi no namango ba bribile lapha. So akubuye loke kuyokwenziwa enye i-DNA test. Bebuyele bonke benze bonke ama test mayiphumila ngazo umuntu uthe baya emailelwa no ukuze ugela abe sethis ukuthi uSydney akuyona ingane ngoba kubonakala ngathi she doesn't trust ukuthi I think she doesn't trust guy. She thinks ukuthi mayenza izinto eyedwa mhlawumbe uya bribe. Someone said guys, when it comes to ama DNA test you can't even bribe. Angazi you guys, the story sawo is something else you guys. So ugirl lengane ina 17 le kade ipostile indodakazi ngathi isencane ngabi lapho ko 10 11 or 9 if I'm not mistaken, but ke leyo ke ina 17. So ugirl uthi njani, we are a father there, even we are even proud, but ngapha ke we are a deadbeat father. Ingane na 17 ngibonile ipost yakhe you guys, ibhale ukuthi ibhale ngesivenda ngizoyilahlela on my screen. Ubethi yena wazi ukuthi ingane idlani esikoleni ingena kuphi isikolo kanjani, but buka wena nje being a proud father there. So hayi ngeke you guys ageke. So the actor said it all began when an innocent post on Facebook on Sunday about fathers loving their children, I think that was Father's Day, something like that, escalated when a childhood friend accused him of fathering a child with her in 2012. So Angazi, because he was thrilled about the news of being a father to the teenager, but demanded a paternity test first. You guys, it's just a whole lot. So I do not know. For me, I think maybe I pinned the yenziwe DNA. Ugela zoba shosho. Mina for me nje ngibona ngathi ugela ke kosho. Yena nje ufuna ukuthi uSydney Ramakwela abe ubaba. Ama test alile wasethi abantu ba bribewe ngale ngase laboratory. So ababuyele bonke benze yonke into bonke. You know? I do not know mangabe mhlambe banama partners both of them, but I do not know. Angithi ugeleni ukhala ngokuthi akanakekela ingane. But manje uSydney ufuna ama test enziwe again ngoba phela akakwazi ukuthi anganakekela ingane ngasiyakhe. I think he is willing to know ngempela ukuthi uyena yini babo wengane ezokwazi ukuthi ayondle. But ugeleni ngizobe ngathi udonsela kude mase kuthiwa asibuyele sikwenza itest yesibili. So why would ugel adonsele kude if she knows vele ukuthi hayi nawo babo wengane? Why kumele adonsele kude about the second test ebe esola leyani yaqala ethi no wa bribe wena lapha. So makuthiwa asibuyele ke intombazana siye kwenze yesibili. Why edonsela kude? I think yena nje ufuna ukuthi hayi wena iba ubaba walengane, that's it, ngiyakunikeza lo lengane iba ubaba wayo. Uyavuma noma manje uguy ngoba akavumi sekunenkinga ke between the two. I don't think he really fathered that boy, but anyways angisho ukuthi ngiyazi. But the way ukuzakala ngathi ugela udonsela kude makuthiwa kubuyelwe for the test, is like she's worried ukuthi azofika futhi abe negative athi no, you are not the father. So hayi kuningi you guys, angazi yodwa send the comment section you guys. We like i video before uphumeke ke wale busu ya subscribe ya share, and yeah sizobe sihlangane futhi ku video elandelayo. Bye.